Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today I have a pretty clip for you guys. It happened in New York City. There was a Banshee, he got caught up. They took his Banshee, and this ain't just no other Banshee. This is a pretty Banshee, bro. And as you guys know, these things are pretty expensive. But I got 3 clips of the riders stopping the tow truck and getting back their Banshee. The riders were like, not today. We're gonna get our Banshee back. The tow truck's heading off to the impound lot, and these riders see the bike. They see the tow truck, and they're like, not today, bro. They see a tow truck, they see the bike that is theirs. They're like, oh, we're grabbing it. So watch the video. As you can see, they stop the tow truck, and everything goes down.
Real GTA shit. Niggas getting their bike back. What's wrong with you? Come on, cuz. Come on, cuz. Come on, cuz. Hurry up. Dogs, nigga. We some nigga. Look at this shit. We stopped the tow truck. Got my man's bike off the truck. Real nigga. Yes, start that bitch. Let's go. Let's go, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Let's fucking go, nigga. Let's fucking go. Yeah. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it.
So when I tell you guys bike life in NYC is different, it is different, man. It's a different breed out there, man. They literally stop in the tow truck on the road and taking off their Banshee. Like, it's all strapped in, the bike's strapped in, and people are like hopping on the tow truck, just unstrapping it, trying to take the Banshee off, man. This is like the most New Yorker thing I've ever seen. And there's no popo around, bro. It's just the tow truck and the driver. And the driver's like, bro, like, there's 30 bikes around me. What am I gonna do? Like, there's nothing he really can do. So he's like, you know what? Screw it. Take your freaking Banshee. I don't even want to take it to the impound lot no more. But I do wonder, if you've seen the clip, there's a scooter on it too. And I'm thinking, I'm like, damn, man, they could have grabbed that scooter too, and the scooter rider would have been stoked. But yeah, that scooter probably wasn't with the Bike Life family. It was probably just like a delivery driver or something like that. But when I just seen that clip, and I was just like, no way, bro. And all the different angles of different people filming what is happening, I was like, dude, I gotta share this with you guys. Like I said, New York is a different breed, man. They are a different breed. I remember when I was out there riding, and I just remember the roads. The roads are filled with so many potholes, and that was the sketchiest thing for me, was the potholes, bro, because you really got to be on your P's and Q's out there, because next thing you know, you're in a wheelie, 12 o'clock, boom, you hit a pothole, you're screwed. But gang, I have another clip too. I'll link the person's video in the description down below. But he was out riding, and then he seen a weird situation with a girl and a dude, and the dude was like looking like he was sort of stalking the girl and was just acting weird, and he sort of saves the day. So I'll play the clip so you guys can see.
Дуже політи, man.
Wait, mate. What happened? Stop.
Help me.
Stop. Mate, no hands. She's my girlfriend, okay, mate?
No hands.
Okay, mate. Please, pass through. You can go, okay? Go, please, go.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god, thank you so much.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Don't worry, everything's fine.
Adios, thank God.
I can bring you home if you want it.
Oh my god, please,
Yeah?
thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
don't worry, everything's fine. I'm here.
Oh my god. Thank God you were here.
So shout out that biker, bro, saving the day. We appreciate him, and luckily, there's good people still out there, who just want to help people and do the right thing. I know this world is gnarly. There's so many gnarly things happening nowadays that, like, we need the good people to help out others And yeah, I feel like this is a good clip that shows that, you know, just a random biker stranger helping out this girl, which is freaking awesome, man. Like, that's what we need more of. Just some more good vibes, you know, helping others. But I do have some extra clips of me riding like an abandoned nursery and some abandoned buildings, which is pretty cool. So I'll put those clips in now.
I can't believe that freaking Popo just left. Like, he's seen me starting my bike and everything, and he's like, oh, whatever. You good. He said, you good. You got the pass today. Alright, we're off-roading, baby. Off-road time, baby. Woo, got like some abandoned stuff here. Oh, this is that Florida sand right here, brother. Oh, there's so many abandoned buildings. I didn't even know all this shit was here, dude. This is crazy. Got a whole boat. Whole freaking weed farm that used to be here. I'm just kidding, I don't know what the hell it is. But they really just be dumping everything. Let's go in here, screw it. We're going in the nursery. Wheelies in the nursery, brother. Oh, goddamn, big ass rocks. Yo. This is a real nursery, bro. You can even see all the pots they still have here. This was the office. Oh. Nice, nice. What are all these? Bro, tons of radios! Yo, if y'all need some radio... There's none in that one. Maybe most of these are taken. But bro, that's pretty crazy. Maybe we'll find some goodies. Look at the poster they had up. Well, let's keep on exploring. It's so crazy how there's that many radios just sitting there, dude. They're probably all waterlogged, but hey, pretty cool little find. Oh my gosh. Bro, more abandoned stuff over here, dude. Bro, my 150 feels like it's locking up, dude. And I ain't just saying that, bro. I'm freaking legit. It's getting hard to kick.
Alrighty, gang. That ends it for today's video. I freaking love you. Stay motivated. Thank you for watching. Hit up those comments. Love you, gang. Peace.